Good morning, guys. I hope you are having a great day so far. I am literally pulling out my hair. I realized that and here I was about to cut the braids, like seriously. So I'm gonna spend the morning pulling out the braids and then do my wash day, and I think I'm gonna blow up my hair. So I think I'm gonna wear my hair as a ponytail for Christmas, because I can't believe I was going to cut my hair. Like, I seriously don't believe this. It's been a stressful week. It's been a stressful everything, but by the grace of God, we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna catch you guys back soon when I am ready to wash my hair. This guy really gone through the red lights. Good grief. So I'm on my way to Mega Mart. Hopefully there is no crowd or long line at Mega Mart, because I'm literally last minute in everything. This is a very spontaneous situation. So heading back home to like prep things that I can prep and also do the setup. I mean, I have quite a bit of time before the party, but I just want to get everything done and see what else I have to get. Can you believe all this has been done before 10 o'clock? Because I am just getting a chance in time for the World Cup. Like, I believe RG is gonna win. Not going hard and chat. Argentina for the win. Oh. Excuse me?
Yes.
All I can do now is defend at this point.
No,
yeah. How much you bet?
No.
I can't manage.
Let them go boom.
Yeah, man.
And it gives them confidence, and they go back boom.
Yeah, man.
Less than 5 minutes. It is done. It's done. That was a that was an amazing game. Now I don't do the Christmas tree. I'm probably gonna try to do it during the week before the end of the Christmas season, because it doesn't make sense to do it again. I'll probably do it tomorrow. I promise. I'm so tired. so tired, like winded right about now. I'm trying to set up for the party. As you can see, you guys, I've been doing the most. I'm making ham, been setting up, making decorations and everything. So oh Jesus, I have like probably, I think it's now 2:30. I think I have like, yeah, 4 more hours left before the party starts. So let's get it. So it's 6 o'clock. I'm going to get ready now and then come back downstairs. Jesus.